A very good evening to one and all. So hope you guys are able to hear me and able to see my screen, everyone. Could you please confirm? Everyone, could you please confirm whether you guys are able to hear me and able to see my screen, everyone? Yes. Fine. Thank you, guys. As part of our yesterday's session, so we just understand about the basic C programming code, C program code and execution flow of on the C programming code, guys. As part of our yesterday's session. Okay, so we have written a small C program, and also we have seen how to what is the role of and the compiler and what does the compiler will do. Can you guys please confirm what does the compiler will do, guys, as part of an every programming language? What does the compiler will do? Compiler will always translates, always converting the high level in statements into mission understandable statements. High level statements means nothing but an just like as in the normal English statements. Mission understandable statements means nothing but an what? Zeros and ones. That's such as nothing but an binary statements, guys. Okay, so after compiling, sir, after compiling the source code, after compiling the source code, guys, every compiler will generate like as in the a mission code. That mission code will be available in which file, sir? In C programming language. That mission code is available in which type of file in the C programming language, guys? .obj file, right? .obj file. And who will be the taking care of executing that .obj file? Interpreter. Interpreter will always executes the mission code in a line by line fashion, guys. That is what we have discussed on yesterday. Compiler always translating the code from high level statements into mission understandable statements in a single shot. Okay, apart from this translation, what does the compiler will do? Apart from this, the translation, what the compiler will do, guys? Can you please confirm? Apart from the translation of high-level statements into the mission understandable statements, what the compiler will do? Syntactical checkings or not? Syntactical errors and grammatical errors in your source code. If you are having any kind of syntactical errors and grammatical errors, sir, first we need to fix that and errors. Then only the compiler will translate our source code into the mission code. Understood? Apart from this, the syntactical checkings and the grammatical checkings, along with the translation. So what is the final thing? What is another role of the compiler? Sometimes it will add the code as well. Sometimes a compiler will add some code for executing of our program in runtime smoothly. Understood? Sometimes a compiler will add the code. Sometimes the compiler will add the code for executing of our program at runtime smoothly, guys. Okay, so that is the role of the compiler. Totally 3 roles are there for the compiler. One is for what? Syntactical checkings and grammatical checkings. Second one is what? Translating the source code from high level instructions into mission understandable instructions. That is the second role of compiler. Third role is nothing but sometimes the compiler will add the code for executing the program at runtime at smoothly. That I'm going to talk on this the point and the going forward. Okay. Yes. Okay, fine. So, and in order to develop the C programs, in order to develop and execute the C programs, definitely we need to install one software in our mission. So what is that the software? C software we need to install. That is a Turbo C or Turbo C++. Okay. So Turbo C editor or Turbo C++. In order to develop and execute the C programs, definitely we need to install the C software in our mission. Understood? So these are the things with respect to the C program, and also we have seen the execution flow as well. So we developed the C program as in the step 1. Okay. Step 1, we developed the C program. We developed the C program in where? In the C editor. We developed the C program in where? In the C editor. The C editor or Turbo C editor. And after that, you are going to compile the source code in the C editor. Okay. You are going to compile the source code in the C editor by using what? Alt F9. Okay. Alt F9. That is a shortcut for compiling the source code in the Turbo C editor. So at that time, the compiler will generate the mission code. That mission code is available in where, sir? That mission code is available in which file? That mission code is available in which file? .obj file. Okay, .obj file. And who will be the taking care of, who will be the executing that mission code? Interpreter. Interpreter will execute like as in the mission code as in the line by line. And after that, you are going to get what? Output on the screen, output on the monitor. What is an output of on the monitor? Whatever the program you have developed. So welcome to Ashok IT. That string will be displayed on the monitor. Understood, everyone? This is the basic flow of what? C program execution or not? Development of C program and execution or not? This is the step 2, guys. Okay, step 2. This is nothing but an step 2. Okay, step 2 compilation. And this is step 3. Step 3. Step 3 for what? Generating the mission code. Step 4 is nothing but an interpreter execution. How the interpreter will execute the code? How the interpreter will execute the code, guys? That is nothing but an control plus F9. That is the shortcut in Turbo C editor. Okay, Turbo C editor, we do have a shortcut to execute of our program by pressing the control plus F9 or control plus F5. Okay, finally, you can see that output on the screen. That is a step 5, guys. Okay, that is a step 5. Clear? Everyone is clear? The flow of the basic C program execution and development. Everyone is clear? The basic execution of the C program development and execution. Yeah. Fine. Hope you guys are comfortable so far. Yes. Okay. Yes. And as part of our yesterday session as well, so we just written a small Java program as well. Okay, we written a small Java program as well. Okay, .obj file only, guys, not .exe file. .obj file only it generates, Shankar. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, so we have written a small Java program as well on yesterday, sir. Okay, on yesterday we have written a small Java program. Okay, on small Java program with the name as and what? Welcome. Okay, the class name is what? Welcome. So Java, could you please confirm, guys? Can you please confirm? So in Java, is it possible to write without class concept? If you guys wanted to develop any kind of an application in Java, sir. Okay, in Java, completely you need to take the help of a class. Without taking the help of the class, you cannot develop single application in Java. In entire Java world, without taking the support of and the class concept, you cannot develop the single application. Please keep that point in your mind. Okay, without taking the help of the class concept, you cannot develop single application in Java. Every class will be associated with some name. So that name is and what? User defined. Okay, right now my class name is what? Welcome. Right now the class name is what? Welcome. Okay, right now my class name is what? Welcome. Okay, and every program need to have some starting point to execute or not? What is the starting point to execute? What is the starting point to execute the Java program? What is the starting point to execute the Java program? What is the starting point to execute the Java program? What is the starting point to execute the Java program? So that is public static void main. Okay, so that is a public static void main. Okay, that is the starting point of the Java program. In order to display some message on the screen, what is the message? What is the statement we have to return? System.out.println, similar to printf statement in C programming language. If you guys wanted to display some message on the screen in Java, definitely you should need to be use what? System.out.println. As it is, you need to write it. It is a case sensitive. It is a case sensitive. Whatever the letter I have written with the capital case, you should need to write the capital case only. Whatever the letter I have written with the small letters, you should need to write in the lower case only. Okay. Can you guys please confirm? In order to display some message on the screen in Java, what is in the statement we have to return? We have to write what statement, guys? We have to write what statement? Public static void main, right? So public static void main. In entire Java ecosystem, everything should be performed with the help of the class concept only. That's what I already told you. Okay. And here the welcome representing the name of the class, and this should be on the user defined, sir. Apart from the welcome, you can give as a demo. You can give as what a welcome message. As per your convenience, you can give some name to the class. Every class should be associated with some name. So that's why given as an what welcome class, representing the name of the class, and should be an user defined case. And public static void main string array of args. That is a starting point to execute our Java program, similar to the C program void main function. That's all. Hope you are clear. This is the starting point. This is the starting point to execute of our every Java program case, similar to void main function in C programming language. Okay. In Java, if you want to display something on the console or the screen, we need to use the below statements: system.out.println. Okay, system.out.println. Are you given any message? As of now, in this highlighted portion, are you given any kind of message here? Are you given any kind of message here? No, right? So you did not pass any kind of message in the SOP statement. So simply it will display what? Nothing on the screen. Simply it will display nothing on the screen, guys. Understood? So when it comes for system.out.println, you passed some message. Welcome to Ashok IT. Okay, welcome to Ashok IT. You passed some message. This message will be displayed on the, it will be display the same message on the screen. Whatever the message you have passed here, the same message will be displayed on your screen, guys. Okay, that's all. Okay. In Java, string always represents what? In Java, string means what? A grouping of several characters. So see, this is nothing but an string, guys. Okay, group of characters are enclosed within the double quotes. That is called string. A group of characters enclosed with double quotes is called string. Our names is the best example for the string. Mahesh, Suresh, okay, Rajesh, Ramesh, and all these are nothing but an what? The names of the persons, right? So always the names of the persons should be enclosed with what? Double quotes. It should be displayed the same message on the screen, guys. That's all. In Java, strings are nothing but an what? A grouping of several characters, and those grouping of several characters to be enclosed with what? Double quotes. Whatever the message you are providing inside the double quotes, that message will be displayed as it is on the screen, guys. That's all. Okay. Group of characters means Mahesh. So M is in the one character, A is in the another character, H is in another character. So grouping collection of characters, we can call it as a string. That is called grouping of characters. Okay. Single character. Character means what? Any character, any letter should be enclosed. A letter which can be enclosed with what? Single quote is called character. Okay, group of characters enclosed with a string is called group of characters enclosed with double quotes is called string, and a letter should be enclosed with a single quote is called character. Character are always enclosed with what? Single quotes. Group of characters are always enclosed with what? String. Hope you guys got the clarity. Hope you guys got the clarity, guys. Everyone, what is the string and what is a character? Can you guys please confirm? What do you mean by string and what do you mean by character? And how we are going to represent the string and how we are going to represent the character in Java. Come on, guys, everyone. Could you please respond over the chat? Can you guys please respond over the chat? What do you mean by string and what do you mean by character? And how we are representing the string and how we are representing the character in Java? String always going to be represented enclosed with what? Double quotes. And character is always representing with what? Single quote. That's all. Okay. So the step one is what? We developed the sample Java program. Anybody having any doubts? As of now, just keep these points in your mind. Without class concept, you cannot write single program in Java, and every Java program need to have some starting point to execute. That starting point to execute is what? Public static void main. And if I want to display some message on the screen, definitely I need to use system.out.println statement in Java. That's all. As of now, you just keep these points in your mind. Okay. So we developed the Java program, guys. Okay. We developed the Java program. After developing the Java program, what you guys need to do? Step 1. So what is the step 1? Step 1. After developing the Java program, what you guys need to do, guys? Come on. Step 1. Developed the Java program is done. Okay. You have decided to write a small Java program to display the welcome message. Step 2. Step 2. So you are going to compile the Java program. How to compile the Java program? I will show you. Okay. I will show you how to compile the Java program, guys. Just wait for a couple of minutes. Okay. And after compiling the Java code, so mission code will be generated or not? After compiling the Java code, guys, if you do not have any syntax errors or grammatical errors, so definitely the compiler will generate what? Mission code or not? That mission code is generated in the another another file called what? Dot class file in Java. That is step 3. Step 3 is what? Compiler will generate the mission code in the form of a separate file called demo.class file. So this is called bytecode. Technically call it as an what? Bytecode, guys, not mission code. In Java, we cannot call it as a mission code. Technically, we can call this one as an what? Bytecode. Understood? Yes. And coming to the interpreter, step 4. After generating the bytecode of our source code, you need to execute with what? With an interpreter. How to execute our Java code? How to execute the dot class file with an interpreter? That I will talk you later. Okay. And after executing that, executing our program, so display message will be displayed or not? What is the display message? Ashok IT. That's all. So the respect to the message will be displayed or not of our whatever the SOP statements you have written, sir, the same SOP statement result will be displayed on the monitor or not? Come on, guys. Clear? So this is how typically the Java program development and developing the Java program and compiling the Java program and executing the Java program. You no need to worry how to compile the Java program, how to execute the Java program. That I will take care you guys. No worries. Okay. So now tell me, in order to develop and execute of our Java program, which software we need to install? Come on, guys. In order to develop the Java program, compiling the Java program and executing the Java program, what we require to install? What we require to install, guys? Java software. See, that is what step 2. Step 2 is nothing but what? Step 1 is what? Developing writing the code, writing the sample code in the Java. That's all. Step 2 is what? Compiling the source code, guys. Step 2 is nothing but what? Compiling. After compiling this, after developing the source code or the Java program, we need to compile and execute the Java program or not? Come on, guys. So after developing of our source program or the Java program, definitely we need to compile and execute the Java program or not? In order to compile, okay, in order to compile and execute the Java program, we require to install with what? The Java software in our mission. Understood? In order to compile and execute of our Java program, okay, definitely we require to install what? The Java software in our mission. Understood, guys, everyone? Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, we require to install with what? The Java software in our mission, guys. What is the current version of Java software available in the market? Just get into the Google and just verify what is the current version. What is the current version of Java? What is the current version of Java, guys? Java 20. Okay. So Java 20 is available in the market or not? Come on, guys. What is the current version of Java? It's Java 20. Okay. It's Java 20, guys. The current version of Java software is available in market is what? Java 20, guys. And so observe carefully, guys. Everyone please concentrate here. Okay, for the next couple of minutes, everyone please concentrate here. So we do have the two kinds of versions of the Java software. Okay, the current Java version available in the market is what, 20, and generally we do have the two kinds of versions in the Java software, guys. One is long-term support versions, and then non-long-term support versions. There is a slight difference between what, long-term support versions and non-long-term support versions, guys. Okay. Okay. Yes. Simply long-term support. Long-term support, shortly we can call it as an what, LTS versions. What are the LTS versions are released by the, what are the different LTS versions are released so far from the Java softwares? Java 7, Java 8, Java 11, Java 17. All these are nothing but an, so long-term support versions, guys. And the next upcoming version of the LTS version is what, Java 21. Understood? The next upcoming LTS version from the Java is what, Java 21. Okay, LTS version. What does the LTS version, sir? Okay, LTS versions means, okay, so for the LTS versions, if we have any kind of bug fixes in that particular version, guys, okay, it will be the Oracle Corporation will fix that bugs along with the enhancements. If we want, if they wanted to provide some kind of so new feature to the programmers, means they can do the enhancements on LTS versions only. Okay, LTS versions will support for what, two kinds, guys, two supports. One is what, solving the existing bugs, and as well as it will have some development as well, that is called enhancements. Okay, so we do have the two kinds of versions of the Java softwares are available in the market. Okay, available in the market. Okay, one is what, LTS versions, another one is what, non-LTS versions, guys. Okay, what are the non-LTS versions? Java 9, Java 10, Java 12, Java 13. All these are nothing but a non-LTS versions, guys. Non-LTS versions means only bug fixing is available. Only bug fixes are available. No enhancements. No enhancements. Only bug fixes are available. Only bug fixings will do, guys. No enhancement. Enhancements will be happen on which versions of Java? Come on, guys. Enhancements will take place on which type of versions of Java software? Come on, guys, everyone. Try to respond. Try to be an active in the session. Which versions? Which versions will have the support of an enhancement, guys? LTS versions. And non-LTS versions will have the support for enhancements or not? Non-LTS versions will have the support of an enhancements or not? Enhancements means nothing but an, okay, enhancements means nothing but an what? So providing the new feature to the programmers. So for example, in our smartphones, so in our smartphones, whenever you are getting some kind of an updates, are you going to updating the things or not, guys? Same way. So Java people, Oracle Corporation also doing some kind of enhancements in the existing versions of Java. Understood? Yes. Okay. Hope you guys are clear about these 2 points. Long-term supported versions and non-long-term supported versions. Shortly we can call it as an what, LTS versions, and shortly we can call it as an what, non-LTS versions. Hope you are clear. Everyone, please try to respond. Yes. Everyone try to be an active in the session, guys. Try to respond for the questions. Okay, fine. So that is what the thing. So, and immediately the question may get into our mind. Sir, in the industry, okay, in industry, which version of the Java softwares are going to use it for the project development? Understood? So understood my question, guys, everyone? Immediately the question may get into our mind. Sir, industry for developing the software projects, which version they are going to opt for the Java? LTS or non-LTS? Obviously, it is going to opt like as an LTS. Okay, always recommended to use LTS versions of the Java software, LTS versions of the Java software for project development in the companies. Understand, guys? Understood, guys? In order to develop the software products, okay, the software companies are always choosing which versions of Java, LTS or non-LTS? LTS or non-LTS? LTS or non-LTS? LTS versions only. LTS versions only. And currently companies are using either Java 8 version or Java 11 version only for project development. Okay, whenever the new version came into the market, immediately they could not able to change the Java version, guys. Okay, immediately they could not change the Java version. What they will do is they will develop like as and what the separate copy of the project to test our Java set to test with the Java 17. Okay, whenever the new version came into the market, so immediately the industry people are going to change the version of Java software for the projects? Not at all. Not at all. If they wanted to upgrade the Java, if they wanted to upgrade the Java version for the existing project, definitely it will take some time to upgrade, guys, because we need to have some kind of dependencies as well for the various factors. Understood? What is the currently companies are using in the companies, which version of Java are using in the market? Currently the companies are using which versions? Currently the companies are using which versions, guys? Java 8 or Java 11 for the project development. Okay, always recommended to work with the Java softwares, which type of versions? LTS versions. Whenever you guys are going to install like as in the Java software into your mission, so definitely it should be on what? LTS. It should be an LTS. Okay, LTS. Okay, LTS version should be installed. Non-LTS version is just for so the non-LTS version, it is not at all recommended to install with what? Non-LTS version. Always recommended to work with what? LTS versions of Java software. Okay, and currently the companies are using with what? Java 8 or Java 11 for the project development. And as part of our training program, we are going to work with what? Java 17 in our session. Okay, Java 17 in our session, guys. As part of our training program, guys, so we are going to work with what? Java 17 version. We are going to work with what? The Java 17 version, guys. Understood? Yes. So in order to download the Java 17, what you need to do? Simple. Go to the Google. Okay. Go to the Google and search for what? Java 17 download. Okay. Java 17 download. So immediately you will get immediately you will get what? Java SC 17 archive downloads. Just click on it. Just click on it. So according to your operating system and architecture of your operating system, okay, whether it is a 32-bit or 64-bit, you need to pick the respective the executable file or installer file. Understood? Understood, guys, everyone? According to your operating system type, operating system type and the operating system architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit, according to that you need to download and install the Java software. So see, sir, by default the Java software is available for how many operating systems? By default the Java software is available for how many number of operating systems, guys? How many operating systems? Linux, okay, Mac and the Windows. Just try to download the according to my operating system, sir. My operating system is Windows, often the 64-bit operating system. I'm going to download this one. That's all. Okay, I already downloaded, guys. I already downloaded into my mission. According to your operating system, you need to download the things. Understood? Everyone? So once you download this executable file, guys, once you download the executable file, first you need to verify whether the Java software is installed or not in your mission. How can you verify that one? How to verify the Java software is installed or not in your mission? Simple. Go to the start menu and search CMD and execute the following command. Okay, I'm just clicking on the start button and just clicking on the start button and search CMD and type the command, guys, and type the command. What is that command? Java C hyphen version. So what I'm getting the message? Java C is not recognized as an internal and external command, guys. Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. So means the Java software is not at all installed in my mission. Okay, Java software is not at all installed my mission. What I need to do? I need to install the Java software just like as on the normal software installation. That is what the message. So once you execute this command, so what you can get, sir? Java C is not recognized as an internal and external command, operable program or the batch file. Note that is the Java software is not available or installed in the not available or not installed in your current mission, guys. Indicates. Understood? By seeing this output, guys, that indicates what? The Java software is not available or not yet installed in your mission. Okay. After completing the download, what you guys need to do? After completing the download, we need to install the Java 17 version into our mission, just like as on the normal software installation in Windows operating system. How do you install the normal operating system? How do you install the normal operating system, guys? How do you install the normal software in Windows operating system? Just by double clicking on next and next until unless you will get the finish button. This is an executable file, guys. This is the executable file which we downloaded from Oracle Corporation website. Just double click on it. Okay, just double click on it. Okay, just double click on it and complete the installation process. Click on the next. Okay, and see, guys, my Java software is going to install in what? On the C drive, operating system directory, under the program files folder. It is going to create with what? Java folder. Under that JDK 17 folder, it is going to install. If you guys wanted to change this installation location, you can change it. As of now, I will continue with the same location. Just click on what? Next. Just click on what? Next. Just we click on what? Next. Okay, it will take like as in the 2 to 3 minutes of time to complete the installation process. Just be on hold. It will take like as in the 3 to 5 minutes of time, guys. Just we'll wait for that. Okay. So everyone request you to download the Java software from the Oracle Corporation website. Simple, sir. I shown you the steps, right, sir? I shown you the steps, right? How to download the things. You just need to follow that one, sir. Go to the Google and search for what? Go to the Google, open your favorite browser and go to the Google and search with what? Java 17. That's all. Just a minute. It is taking for the installation. Just wait for a minute, guys. I request you to download the Java software, everyone, in your missions. Fine. Just wait for the minute. Wait for the 2 minutes. So it will complete that installation process. Yes. So see guys, see the Java SC development kit 17.0.6 64-bit installed successfully or not, successfully installed or not guys in my mission. It was installed successfully. If you want to walk through some tutorial how to view the API documentation and what would be the developer guides and what are the release notes as part of in the Java 17, all these things you can walk through the tutorial by clicking on what next steps button. If you don't want to walk through the tutorial, just click on what close. That's all. So that's all. So after completing the installation process, again what you need to do guys, you just downloaded the Java software from the Oracle Corporation. After completing the download, you already completed with what installation of Java software as well in your operating system. Okay. After completing the installation of Java 17 version, so we need to check the above command again. So in order to check the above command again, what I need to do, close the existing command prompt, Okay, close the existing command prompt. Again, what you need to do, sir? Go to start menu and search for what CMD, and again you need to verify with what Java C. Okay, so I'm just getting into the start menu, guys, and search for the CMD, and again I'm just giving what Java C hyphen version. Java C hyphen version. What you are getting? What you are getting? We got the Java 17 version or not? We got the Java 17 version or not, guys? So just verify these things. After completing the installation, guys, what you need to do? Again, you will get what Java C hyphen version as in 17 and Java hyphen version. So Java C means what? Java compiler version. So this is for what? Java compiler version. What is the compiler version, guys? It is matched to our installed Java version or not? It is matched and installed to the and it is matched to the installation version of Java or not, guys? This is Java C. Java C stands for what? Java compiler version. And Java stands for what? Interpreter. Java stands for what? Interpreter. Interpreter version is what? Same as installed version or not? Same as installed version or not, guys? Come on, guys, everyone. Everyone, is that clear? After completing the installation of Java 17 version, okay, again I just opened like as in the freshly with the command prompt and executed these two commands and verified with what? Java C hyphen version 17 version. We got it same as in what? Installed version, and interpreter version is also same as in what? Installed version or not? Come on, guys. Is that true? Is that true or not? Is that true or not, guys? Have we got like as in the Java compiler version and the interpreter version same as in the installed version or not, guys? Same as in the installed version or not? Yes. So if you see, guys, if you got this message means successfully installed Java software and successfully configured the Java software correctly in your mission. Understood? If you are able to see this the messages, guys, so now the successfully you have the Java software in your mission successfully configured correctly as well. Okay, some of the users are still facing the same issue, saying as in what? After completing the installation as well, again they went to the start menu and search for the CMD and executed the command saying as in what? Java C hyphen version. At the time you got like as in the same output as well. Okay, so if you are getting the same output means just you need to reconfirm whether you are executing the same command on the opened command prompt or in the fresh command prompt or not. If you are executing on the fresh command prompt means then this is an issue. And immediately the question may get into your mind, sir, how come this an error? How come this an error, sir? Basically, after installing the Java software as well, right? So note, we completed the Java software installation, but still our operating system is not recognizing the Java 17 software. Understand? So we just completed the installation, and somehow the users are facing with what Java C is not as recognized an external or internal or external command again. Same error the users are facing. So by seeing this and message, what you can understand, the Java is not at all installed, right? So but we actually completed the Java installation, but still operating system is not at all recognizing the Java 17 software. Understood my point, guys? Everyone catching my point or not? Could you please respond? Everyone catching my point or not, guys? Everyone catch my point or not, guys? Everyone. Right. So now what is the solution for this problem, sir? Even though we completed the Java installation, but why my operating system is not at all recognizing the Java 17 software? Immediately the question may get into your mind. Immediately you will be getting into the Google and searching for Java 17 is not at all recognizing in my mission. What is the solution for that? So the solution is, you need to add the path variable, sir. You need to add the path variable of a software of the Java software. How can you add the path variable, guys? How can you add the path variable? Simple. So first get into the installation folder, C drive, program files. Okay, C drive, program files, Java. Okay, Java JDK 17 under the bin, right? So this is the installation location, right, guys? So C drive, under the C drive, guys, see guys, go to the my computers, C drive, program files, Java folder, JDK 17 folder. Just now it got installed today only. Under that the bin folder, copy this location. Okay, that is what I was mentioned, guys. Go to the installation folder of the Java software, guys. In my case, it is installed on the operating system directory, and this is the path for that. And copy the location from the address bar. That is the first step got completed. After that, what you guys need to do? Right click on this PC, go to the properties, right click on this PC, go to the properties, and there is an option called what? Advanced system settings, and go to the environmental variables, and we will get what? Environmental variables pop up, where you can have what? User variables and system variables. Under the system variables, we have a one predefined variable, case that is called path variable. That is called path variable, case. How you open this dialog? How you open this dialog? Right click on this PC, on every mission, go to the properties and advanced system settings, environmental variables. There are the two sections are there. One is user variables section, another one is what? System variables section. In the system variables section, we have one predefined variable called path variable. Just edit the double click on the path variable. Double click on the path variable. Don't touch the existing values. Don't touch anything in the existing values, case. If you touch existing values, definitely your operating system will get corrupted. Okay, not able to run the things. Understand? Don't touch the existing things. Don't touch the existing things. Okay, this path variable which will comes along with your operating system, guys. This path variable definitely for every mission we will have the path variable. Okay, just double click on it. You will get a set of values. Don't touch the existing values. Just click on what? New button. Okay, just click on what? New button, guys. Select here and click on what? New button. Okay, paste it. That's all. Okay, simple. OK button. Okay, simple as an what? OK button. Okay, again you need to, so just re-verify whether you have that value or not. So see, sir, whatever the value you have added, so simply you added this value. Just what you need to do, sir? select this value, and so just add this value. That's all. Click on what OK button. Click on what OK button here, and click on what OK button. That's all. So that is what the steps I have mentioned, guys. Right click on this PC icon on the desktop and select the option called what properties, and then you will get a system dialog box got opened. And after opening the system dialog, again you need to select the option called advanced system settings. Once you click on it, the link again it will open the another dialog box called system properties. Okay. After getting the system properties, guys, after getting the system properties box pop up, again you need to select what environmental variables button, and you will get environmental variable pop up will appear. In the environmental variable pop up, what you need to do? You need to select what? You need to select the variable system variables section. You need to select what? The system variables section, guys. Under the system variables, you need to choose the existing path variable, guys. Existing the path variable which will comes along with your operating system installation. Just double click on it. Okay, just double click on it, guys. Simply the path variable pop-up box will appear, and click on what? New option. Okay, and add the following value into the newly created text field. That is what I shown you. And then finally you need to click on what? OK button on the path variable pop-up, and OK button on what? Environmental variables pop-up, and OK button on what? System properties pop-up. 3 times you need to click on what? OK button. Okay, that is the fifth step. And after the sixth step, what you need to do? Again, you need to reconfirm. So close the existing command prompt. Go to the command, go to the start menu, and again search for what? CMD and Java C -version. So what you can see, guys, Java version is installed or not? So see, compiler version is available, and runtime interpreter version is also available or not, guys? If you are able to see me, if you are able to see this, okay, if you guys are able to see these things, then successfully install the Java software. Successfully installed the Java software in your machine. Understood my point, everyone? Everyone, is that clear? Everyone, is that clear, guys? Yes. For any kind of an operating system, you need to download the Java 17 version only, sir. Whether it is your Linux machine or Mac operating system or Windows operating system, you guys need to download the Java 17 version, which we are going to work in our training program as well, guys. The same version. Okay. Yes. So that is what the thing. So after executing this command prompt, what you will get the output, guys? What you will get the output? After adding the path variable, so what you will get, guys? What you will get the output here? Just open the command prompt and just select this portion. Select this portion and hit on the enter, and paste into here. That's all. Nothing more than that. Okay. This is compiler version, and this is nothing but what? Runtime version. If you are able to see these messages, guys, definitely the Java software got installed successfully and configured correctly in your machine, guys. When you will go for these steps, guys, after completing the installation of Java software, still if you are seeing this the message on the console, still if you are seeing this message on the command prompt, means definitely you need to follow these steps. Understood? Once you installed the Java 17 version in your machine, if you are able to see these messages, means happily fine, sir. Happily fine. After installing the Java software in your machine, okay, after installing the Java software in your machine, if you are still facing what Java sees an internal and external command is not recognized, means then you need to follow the path variable here. So immediately the question may get into your mind, sir, why we added the path variable for Java software, sir? Why we added like as in the path variable for the Java software, guys? Why? Because means right now on which drive we do have? On which drive we have, guys? C drive. In the C drive, we are able to access the Java software at any place, at any point. Okay. If I wanted to switch into the D drive, Okay, in the D drive, right now I am in the what D drive. Then in the D drive also the Java software should work, right? So Java C and then Java. Okay, if I'm going to have the E drive in my mission, okay, again I wanted to I wanted to verify with what I should need to work here as well, Java C version. Okay, yes, E drive also is working. Okay, yeah, when it is switched to the F drive, guys, F drive, in the F drive also the Java C is available or not, compiler is available or not, interpreter is also available, right? Wherever, so where in any drive, if you guys add a path variable, if you guys add a path variable for the Java, so for any kind of software, you can run that the software anywhere at any point at any location in your mission, guys. That is the importance of adding the path variable for any kind of software. Right now we added the path variable concept for what? Java software, so that the Java software can run and execute, Java programs can run and execute on any drive in your operating system. Understood my point, everyone? Prajwal, so we can use, sir, as I already told you, I always recommending you to work with what LTS version. Java 8 will comes under LTS category. You can use the Java 8 version in your mission happily. Okay. Okay, fine. That's all. Earlier, we got the output as an what, sir? Java C is not recognized as an internal and external command by executing this command. After setting the path variable, you got these things. Okay, done. Done. So this is what so far we had completed with what? Downloading the Java software, installing the Java software, and configuring the Java software, and running the Java software is expected or not. All these things we have done so far, right? So, and going forward, we are going to work with what? Some of the Java tools, such as build tools. Okay, such as build tools. Build tools means nothing but an Maven or Gradle. And we are going to install with what? Eclipse IDE and IntelliJ IDE. Okay. So in order to install any kind of the Java softwares in your mission, so definitely you need to have the one more important variable in the system variables section. Okay. So in order to install any kind of the Java softwares in your mission, guys, definitely you need to have one variable under the system variables section, guys. What is that the variable you need to have? Java underscore home. That should be in the capital letters. The variable name should be what? Java underscore home. So that represents what? A place where Java software is available in your mission. Where exactly the Java software is available in our mission, guys? In the C drive, the program files Java JDK 17. This is where exactly the JDK 17 is available in my mission or not. That is called Java underscore home. Okay, as a Java programmer, we are going to install the lot of Java related softwares and the tools, guys. We are going to install the lot of Java related softwares or the tools. Understood? Such as what? SQL developers, Tomcat, Eclipse IDE, build tools of Maven, such a things we are going to install it, guys. Okay, so whenever you guys wanted to install such things in your mission, so definitely you need to configure the Java underscore home, guys. Java underscore home means a place where Java software is available in your mission. Oracle underscore home means a place where Oracle software is available in your mission. Okay. Acrobat Reader home means nothing but an what? Acrobat Reader means a place where Acrobat Reader is available in your mission. Understood? So Java underscore home means what, guys? A place where Java software is available in your mission. Where exactly the Java variable? Java is available. C colon program files Java/Java 17. That's all. So go to the C drive. Go to the C drive, program files, Java, JDK 17. This is all the location. This is the location where exactly the Java software is available in our mission. Okay, right click on this PC. Okay, right click on this PC. Go to the advanced system settings. Just click on what? Advanced system settings, guys, last option. Okay, after that, you need to choose the environmental variables button again. and you need to have the user variables and system variables. Okay, system variables, user variables and system variables, guys. System variables are global for all the users in your mission. So typically in your mission, you can have the multiple accounts. One account for your purpose, another account for your kids purpose, another account for your what? Other other users purpose, right? You can have the multiple accounts in a mission or not. If you are creating the variable, under the user variable, guys, that variable is specific to that particular user account only. Okay. If you are creating the variable under the system variables category, means that variable is applicable for all the users in your mission. That is what the difference. Understood? Okay. See, guys, we do have the another home variable called maven_home, where exactly maven software is available in my mission. Okay. I'm going to create new. So what is our variable name? The variable name is fixed, Java_home, and just paste, sir. That's all. Or else you can browse the directory. Okay, you can browse the directory, guys. Okay, you can browse the directory as well. Okay, that's all. See, program files, Java, JDK 17, guys. Okay, so click on what? OK button. So Java_home got added or not? Java_home got added or not? A place where Java software is available in our mission. That's all. Okay, just click on what? OK button. Click on what? OK button, guys. Just close it. That's all. That is nothing but the Java_home. Two things, guys. One is what? Adding the path variable for the Java software. Another one is what? Java_home, a place where the Java software is available in our mission. Okay. As I already told you, system variables versus user variables. User variables means when you are creating some kind of variable under the user variable section, it is specific to what? Current user only, guys. It is specific to what? The currently logged user. Other users cannot access this variable. Understood? So when it comes for the system variables, guys, when it comes for the system variables, okay, when it comes for the system variables, it is a global to all the users in our mission. That's all. That is the difference between system variables versus user variables. Hope you guys are clear, everyone. Hope you guys are clear, everyone. What is the difference between system variables versus user variables? And what is the purpose of adding the Java_home variable as well? And how to add the path variable as well? Come on, guys, everyone, please try to respond. Yes. Okay. Anybody having any doubts? Yes, Java_home is enabled the system to find the Java directory, guys. That's all. Yes, it's just providing the location where the Java software is available, guys. Nothing more than that. Yes. Yeah. Yes, sir. You are going to get this the class notes, guys. Okay, you will be getting like as in the class notes. Just wait for today or the tomorrow. Okay, so once admin will give you the access, guys. Admin will give you the access for all these notes as whatever we have covered. So far we completed with what 5 sessions. That 5 sessions notes will give you the access by the admin people, guys. Okay, that's all. And hope everyone has installed. Everyone installed like as in the mobile application of an Ashok IT, right? So through the Play Store, I request you to download everyone into your mobiles and just get the updates from the Ashok IT as well. Yesterday video is not yet uploaded yet. Okay, yeah. So we'll check with the admin team. Admin will admin team. So I will check with the admin team, guys. No problem, Rajesh. Fine. Yeah. So this is all about for the today's session. This is all about for the today's session, guys. Please, everyone, request you to download and install the Java software correctly in your mission. So by going through this the steps which I have guided you guys. Okay. After completion of this, after completion of the installation, so you can compile your Java program. Okay. Yes. That's all. So make sure that everyone should need to get the output as it is like this. Okay, if you get this one, so successfully you have installed the Java software in your machine. Understood? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Prajwal, can you please check with the admin team on this one, sir? I do not have the much information. Please check with the admin team on that. Okay. Yeah. So that's all for today, guys. Again, we'll meet you on the tomorrow session with the same bridge. So tomorrow we will see how to compile the Java program and how to execute the Java program as well. So Devi, so we are not going to learn Java 18 new features, sir. So Java 18 is not a non-LTS version. That is what I told you, right? We are always recommended to work with what LTS versions. Industry is presently using only Java 8 and Java 11, sir. Either Java 8 or Java 11. Still industry is not at all using Java 17 because so it is not at all easy to upgrade the Java project. Okay. Industry is using with what? So Java 8 or Java 11 only. Okay. Yeah. So that's all for today, guys. Again, we'll meet you on the tomorrow. Okay. So have a nice day. Bye-bye. Good night. Yes, Vijay. Yes, Ajay, tell me. Just give me 1 minute. Just post your message. Just post your message in the chat. Ajay, whatever the doubt you have.